Baltic ratings to Embark 1338. Starting 3,000 euros. AB RoPax ships. We have a fleet of 55 RoPax ships. 55. So imagine if there are 10 ABs, each ship, that's 550 ABs we need today, plus 550 at home. Net weights 3,000 euros. Some might think, oh well, up North Europe they're paying much more. I'm saying yes. Well, if you like to be freezing cold with people that never smile, that's not so good for your health. If you want to be in the Mediterranean Sea, 67,000 ton ships, huge, Ro-Ro, 22 ships also, total 77 ships, Italian flagships. Your career, you don't need English, like and subscribe, company format, crew inspector application, Italian basic language for safety. It's not English required, it's Italian. And then also this Codice Fiscale in Lithuania, we get in 1 week this social security number so we can employ you directly in Italian flag, and this is how you can get a career and your family can be covered with social security. If you are on board cruise ships, flag for convenience, whatever. Or if you are now staying ashore and then you're thinking it's not possible to get the 3,000 euros net wage in Latvia because that means it's 6,000 the cost for the business person. Imagine, taxes are so big up north, the people are relocating to the south of Europe. Why not? It's nice weather, smiling people, Italian food on board, you have the Wi-Fi, you have really an opportunity to have a promotion because that's 3,000 euros for an AB, 2-4 STCW or 2-5 STCW, and then like and subscribe. We also have opportunities for plumbers, fitters. How many you can apply today because this is net. Some of you have left the ships and now are walking ashore, but it's not possible because this printing money PM today inflation is growing so much, so then your 1,200 net wage in Baltic states as a plumber, whatever, today you can get 3,000 or more for a plumber or fitter. Think about relocating to these ships. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much indeed for your time, and hope we get some like 500 ABs, and then we can talk about these plumbers and fitters, 55 ships, RoPax, and then 22 Ro-Ros, 77. So imagine just 2 fitters each ship, 1 plumber each ship at home, then on board. So we're talking about another 200 or so. Thank you very much indeed for your time, and then please think very serious about this. Molte grazie, arrivederci.